Yo, what's up, guys? What's poppin'? So today we then went and bought a 2013 KX85. This joint is nice, real nice. Got the things. I have the other guard, but it's broken off, so I was like, makes no sense for this joint. So everything, the problem was wrong with it. So one is missing exhaust, it's missing the throttle cable, and also if you look in here, get all this off. The crank is locked, frozen, so it ain't moving. So I'm gonna take it out and press out the pin and replace it, the connecting rod. I'm not gonna buy a brand new crank because that's coming cost too much money, and we're doing budget bills and stuff like that. So let's do this. So what we're gonna get started by taking off all the fenders on it. Oh, this one's loose already, but that's okay. We're just gonna take off all the fenders and stuff like that, so we can on the gas tank. We got to take off everything back. So everything back. We'll take off all that stuff, and then we'll get to this engine by taking it out, and then doing everything else. And like pretty much how we're gonna do this is when I snap my fingers, all this should be gone. So yeah, next clip. Whew. And yeah, now all the plastics are gone, and now we're down to the engine. So we're gonna go to the other side. I'm gonna drain the oil. All right, we're back on this side now. Look at the filter, it's very, very, very dirty. And now we're gonna take off the clutch, take off all these bolts. Well, not just right now, but we're going to do that soon. And we're actually gonna drain the oil. The oil's at the very bottom, so I'm gonna drain that because I can see there's oil in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but in that little glass, it's right in there, right there. There's oil in there, so I'm gonna drain that out, and then we'll get to it. Alright guys, I got the boat loose. Oh damn. I'm going the wrong way, I'm stupid. Still a little tight on there. Yeah, but it's still hard in there, I don't know why. It wants to come out though. It won't come out. You can see it in there. I messed up there. I'm good. Not too bad. Focus. Yeah, not too bad. I'm looking for metal shades and stuff. I don't see none. If the bike was running, I'll be able to start it up and then drain it faster. But no. This little crank thing wanna freeze up. Wanna freeze up? But that's fine. That's fine. I'll just do a little oil change. And these ones kind of green. You'll see symptoms. I don't know why this is like so. Oil so satisfying, huh, guys? Satisfying. Watch when I get her back together, she gonna be a kicker. Got the piston in there. See, like, if you guys look, like the crank itself moves, but the connecting rod, I'm pulling up on it, nothing. Yeah, buzz going in. Hopefully this oil pan don't get full. I'm gonna get mad. I'm gonna be like, there's already a lot of oil in this oil pan. So I'm like, I'll be in some trouble if it get full. Okay, let me switch bumps a little bit real quick. Move up real quick. Should be done. Let's tilt the board more to my side. Yeah, straight up and down. This is pretty long, so I'm just cutting right here, guys. Ooh. Dropped it there, guys. That was not good. So the oil is drained. So I loosened the bolts around it. I actually need a Allen key for that, so I'll be back to this side. But instead, we're gonna go to this side. This side. Alright. I'm gonna do this side, take off the stator and stuff. Well, not the stator because I don't have the pulley yet. It's in my bag that I left somewhere. I'm gonna find it. Alright. So I got this side off, this cover off. It's right here. And I need to get this shifter on to make it easier. I also took off the nut for the swing arm bolt. And yeah, so we're gonna get to that. And we're gonna get this bike engine, try and get it mounted, and also loosen this bolt too. Right here. Right there. This one, that one, right there. Yeah! Got that one loosened. So I'm going to the side, do the other stuff. Yeah! Alright guys, I'm gonna take off this chain in the next video, and we're gonna get this chain off. And also next video, so like, this engine out in the next video, my bad. And yeah. I'll see you guys later. Boom! Dude, that was perfect.